sure you all might be wondering, what is happening? What is all this? How did we get here? Right? Well, I don't know. But it was a moment, and it's a moment. And I wanted to capture it. First time vlog. Is it a vlog or first time video? Well, so I've always wanted to do this. What we have here is snacks. Wait, there's one thing. Should we put it here? Wait. My little flag. Welcome to the episode of All Kenyan Snacks. We're trying all Kenyan snacks. So I think you get what the episode is now. So that's what we have here. We have, well, nishakula. Dairyland. Tunakunywa chai bwana. I've had a long day. It's what time? Inaenda saa 8. This is breakfast ama ni lunch. It's the first meal. Right? Well, this was the first meal. Highly recommend. Dairyland, strawberry, vanilla strawberry flavor ice cream. No artificial colors. Suitable for vegetarians. Man, I love these. Chakula. But yeah, normally I order just this and this. Those are my go-to. But leo nimeongeza 3 new ones. Okay, pia hii ni OG Melvin's. Leo nimeongeza 3, so we're gonna test them. Nilikuwa nimeanza kuonja but okay, this is my fave. This is my, I can't do without this. Like, this is what maybe made us do the video. I don't know. Anyway, nimeshazikata. Tunaishi karibu na airport. Mtaniwia radhi. Sina ya microphone. Mtaniwia radhi. Sina mic. I hope AI inaweza ni enhance ya this audio. Otherwise, let's get straight into the video. We want it to be 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Tumesema hii ni tamu sana. The best. And then he and then OG Floydeez. Or should I show you how the tea looks like? It looks like that. It looks red. Can you see it? Well, nakaibo. Floydeez oven roasted peanut. Kwani kuna ndege inapita every 2 seconds? Unajua conspiracy theory zimekuwa zikiongezeka hizi ndege. Just saying. Nileta sahani ndio niweze kuwaonyesha my fave. They are also proud to be vegetarian. Vegetarian product. The thing is about this is sweet chili flavor. It tastes exactly as you would imagine. No better. It looks like this. It looks like sandawaonyeshaje. Isione hii kwanza. So that's Floydeez by Floydeez. Haya. Hii OG. Chutney, Urban Bites, Noda Company, Kenyan Noda Industries, Urban Bites. Ukiangalia ni vegetarian. Inakuwa imeandikwa mahali, you know, somewhere, I don't know. Right? Hii ni hibiscus tea. Hii leo. We normally buy Floydeez, but today tuko na Urban Pops from by Noda caramel popcorn. Oh my god. Na bengi Floydeez, but you have to be dethroned. Sorry. Woo. It's not either. The Floydeez ones are normally a little smaller. Similar, but these, I'm sorry. These wameshinda kwa hizi nuts. Oh, sijakula hii. Nimeshakula. Let's take our tea. Some high tea. This okay, tutarank. Crisps. Zinakaa hivi. I think najua tu kuchagua. I just know how to choose. Although hii sijajua, sikujua itakuwa tamu. So hii ni tamu, hii ni tamu, hii ni tamu. My go-to. Tamu. Now, another new one that is healthy and tasty, 100% natural seasoning, no preservatives, no gluten. Thing about gluten, I'm intolerant. We are here because of that, actually. We didn't want to be here, but since we are here, listen, let's eat life with a big spoon. Hii ni by Bdelo. I have never heard of that company, but I know what they are. Tortilla chips. Excuse me. I ordered on Glovo, and then there's Glovo bargains or Glovo delivery. just the Glovo, not any supermarket. And then I went and typed gluten-free. And then this came up, this one and this one came up. These ones I already knew. Gluten-free. So, I'm saying we have choice, right? Don't be down, gluten intolerant people, celiac folks. I know. Ooh, are we ready? It's a tortilla. Maize tortilla chips, which is similar to Moriot in Kalenjin, Odeyo in Luo, Mukoro. Okay, sijui pronunciation. Mukuro in Kikuyu can be served in a number of ways. Recipe: you may serve our chips with salsa dip, kachumbari, cheese dip, guacamole dip. Nachos recipe, whatever. So easy. Ni unga tu. Unga imewekwa cheese and onion. You know what? Mimi najua kuchagua vitu. Kuchagua. That's how they look like. Imagine hiyo kelele. Imagine hiyo kelele. Nachos, nachos, unaona? Nachos. Ugali imewekwa cheese and onion, basically. Kwanza vyetu. I'm so grateful that they exist. Watu wa gluten free. Okay, mtu wako gluten free ataziona zikionja funny, ni kama ugali, but mtu mwenye kwanza unajua chips inakuanga na nini? Hizi crisps. Kampuni zingine zinaikanga wheat kwa crisps zao, lakini not Urban Bites. Hizi kampuni hizi I'm so grateful. Thank you. You made my life better. My life would have been so neat. You know, everything biscuits, sijui kuna hapa mkate, samosa, sijui what, spring roll, keki, wheat. Sasa kama si Bdelo, Floydeez, Urban Bites, Urban Pops. Oh. Then tropical heat, super fit, rice cakes. How it looks like. Imeandikwa gluten free, hopped, not fried, trans fat, 0% trans fat. It's cute. That pack is cute. Well, tropical heat. You ain't playing. Yeah, that packaging. Then unaikata hapa. Naikata hapa. Alafu kuna ile inaitwaje ile ka venye unaweza fungua ufunge for freshness, ile inaitwa nini, bag, that bag nimesahau. Sasa unafungua hivi, nazipata ndege hapo ndani, alafu unachukua moja, alafu unafunga hivi. Nafaa kuwa na receipt. Well, kama sikupewa receipt, so ndio nilikuwa nimeanza kukula. So then nakaa hivi na zimefura, nisema popped kama popcorn, not fried apparently. Nimeonja, naweza sema nilikuwa nimeonja. Okay, sema kweli, hizi sa kulikuwa na kitu haikuwa salted, these ones are salted. Should I rate them? It tastes like rice, plain rice yenye iko na kachumbi. I think it should be put flavor like sugar, caramel, I don't know, cheese and onion, right? Rice, put cheese and onion. See, why is it just salted? Labda mimi ndio nimechagua flavor mbaya. Otherwise, I appreciate it because mimi kama sio ndoma, sijui ngwashe. Like, hakuna kitu kingine except sasa now hizi njugu. Otherwise, hatuna options, lakini so I appreciate even a different taste. Even kama ina taste ya flat, I'm sure it will taste much worse to someone who eats who takes wheat. But mimi teremsha na chai. Just tastes different, tastes healthy. Inaonja healthy. These are the different snacks. And these ones, my favorite. Oh, tuna rank. Ni tamu. I think in number 1. I love this tea. I think imeshinda ice cream. Number 1. Wait. Out of 5 each. Out of 5. 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. Sasa acha tuanze na kuzimention. Sorry. Ni 100% hibiscus flower. 100% hibiscus flower. Pure delight. Pure delight. 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. I'd give this 3.5 out of 5. Pasa. Five out of 5. Guys, msianguke. Hii ni I think nimeonea juu naikulanga sana nimeizoea, but 4.5 out of 5 ama 4. Out of 5. I'm not gonna lie, 2.5 out of 5. Nusu 2.5. Haya 5, 4.5. Hii tulisema ni 4 ama ni 4, 2.5. Kama mnaziona this really surprised me. I'll see it now. Ranking them against each other. Hey. Hiyo ni ngumu, hiyo ni tricky. I need this 5. Wait, 1. Number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 1. I can do without this. I can't do without that. Right? Number 1. Every day. Twice a day. Thrice a day. Number 1. That's Melvin's. Well, you know what? You know what? Okay? Number 2. Number 2. Oven roasted peanuts. I need those for breakfast. I need the crunch. I need the protein. Number 2. Number 3. Ooh, number 3. Number 3. Again, from number 7. Wherever. Tunaweza reverse. It has to be number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Dairyland. Number 4. Ice cream. Number 4. These crisps. Sijui. Ama iko number 3. Anyway, tushafanya. In number 5. I can do without crisps. They are still deep fried. Lakini sijui. Because number 5. Wait. Tumesahau kitu. Number 6. Bdelo, proudly Kenyan. Cheese and onion. Number 6, number 7. Tropical heat, super fit rice cakes. And that's a wrap. Literally, I'm taking my breakfast. Sitaki kujua ni saa ngapi. Hiyo tulikuwa hapo. Ndio tulikuwa tunafanya. Kazikula over a span of days. Another review. Hii packaging imenirahisishia kazi. Hii packaging ndio nikule kesho. Naifanya hivi. Na peg. Zote hii peg. Hii imeshafungwa. Unacheki? Hapa number 1. Tropical heat. Wengine sijui naweza fanya nini. Because your packs are relatively small. Otherwise, that's all from us. That's the ranking. We'll see you again in the next review.